Hello. As a self-confessed gadget head, it will probably come as no surprise when I tell you that my whole house is kind of a smart house. I've got a Alexa device in pretty much every room, apart from the toilet, obviously, even in the man cave, the garage. And I've got smart routines. I have smart lighting. Smart lighting in most cases in the house is provided by the Philips Hue system, which is great, but it is expensive really. Ideally you need the Philips Hue hub, and the lights and bulbs can be quite pricey. I think the table lamps, for example, are about £70. So when I got my main lights in this room swapped out for LED lights, I was kind of upset because I didn't realise, but they weren't smart lights. They were basically LED lights that you could use with an app, but the app wouldn't connect to Alexa or Google. So it was surprising because I was looking for various things, looking at Philips, when I came across this thing. This is the Hi-Free table lamp. And what surprised me about it was that it was very well reviewed, seemed to have some reasonably good features, including the ability to link it to your smart assistant, but they were £18. And I'm thinking, really, it can't be any good for £18, surely. But the reviews would seem to indicate otherwise, so I ordered one. And you know what? It really is quite good. I mean, remarkably good for the price. It was extremely easy to set up. I mean, I set the thing up within minutes. I've had other devices, and honestly, even being a gadget head, where I've had to sort of go to YouTube or look at various articles to see how to get the thing working. So things have got simpler, but I was impressed. The only thing I will say is that when you get the manual, it tells you to scan the QR code to get your app. I use Android. It just took me to a blank page, but it wasn't a problem because it told me the name of the app, so I just downloaded it. As I say, it's a touch lamp. It's got various colours, it's LED, it's RGB, and it works very well indeed with the smart home. And to prove it, I bought a second one for the man cave. So if I can show you, this is the one I got. Alexa, turn dining room light on. Nice, straightforward and simple. There is a on and off button at the back, and you hold that button in for a few seconds. It will start, the light will start flashing, and then you pair it, and away you go. There is a light on, like a switch on top, so you just tap the switch, and that turns it on and off. And at the back, you can see you get various colours and brightness. It is. Some people are saying it's a bit too bright. I guess it is, but this is in a dining room, it's not in a bedroom. And personally, for £18, sadly, it seems to have gone up to £25, so on Amazon at least, so you might want to have a look around to see if it's cheaper anywhere. But I have to say, I thought that that was damn good. Even at 25 quid, I think it's pretty good. Alexa, turn dining room light off. So that's it. I think it's great, it's cheap, it's cheerful, and it does the job. But that's it, over and out, and enjoy whatever gadgets you get. Bye for now.